Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Sushma.B.V, currently pursuing Master of Business Administration at Sri Venkateshwara Institute of Technology. In this video, I am discussing the topic called types of experimental design in the subject research methodology and intellectual property. Right. Let's know about the meaning of experimental design. Is the systematic planning and structure of experiments to test hypotheses and predict outcomes. It involves defining research questions and objectives, identifying variables, selecting samples, and determining procedures and controlling extraneous variables. By carefully designing an experiment, researchers can ensure reliability, validity, and accuracy and draw meaningful conclusions from their data. Experimental design is a crucial step in the scientific method as applied in various fields, including product development, market research, and medical research, or drive innovation, solve problems, and inform decision making. Types of experimental design is pre-experimental design, true experimental design, quasi, and statistical. Let's know the first type of a pre-experimental design is a research design that lacks one or more elements of true experiment, such as random assignment on a control group, and this type of design is often used in exploratory or pilot study and can provide a preliminary understanding of a phenomena. In pre-experimental design, researcher may use a single group or a series of in limits the ability to establish cause and effect relationship, and the result may be influenced by variables. And pre-experimental design are often used in fields such as education, social science, and difficulties or unethical to conduct the true experiment. Two limitations of the pre-experimental design can provide valuable insights and lay the groundwork the further research, and some common type of pre-experimental design include the one-shot case study. Now, the importance of experimental design are explore new research areas and pilot test methods. It helps define data collection tools, procedures, and techniques and establish feasibility. And pre-experimental design access the practicality of conducting a full-scale experiments and identify potential biases. It helps researchers recognize and address potential source of errors and develop hypotheses. It aids in formulating hypotheses for further testing. And next type of experimental design is true experimental design. In true experimental design is an research design that meets specific criteria, including randomization, a control group, manipulation of the independent variables, measurements of a dependent variable, and comparison between groups. And this design allows researchers to establish cause and effect relationship and control for variables, minimize bias, and draw conclusion result. By randomly assigning participants to treatment or control prod groups, researchers can ensure that the effect of the independent variable on the dependent variable. Importance of true experimental design is establish cause and effect relationship and control the extraneous variables and minimize the impact of external factors that could influence the result and provide high reliability, allow for enable researchers to apply the result to the broader population. And next is quasi-experimental design. In this experimental design that resembles a true experimental but lacks random assignment of participants to treatment or control groups. And this design is used when randomization is not possible or ethical, such as educational or clinical settings. In a quasi-experimental design, participants are assigned to group based on pre-existing characteristics. The importance of this experiment is providing close appropriation to the true experimentations and control of extraneous variables and establish ca- causal relationship and inform practice and policy like education, healthcare, and social science. And last type of experimental design is statistical experimental design. In this is a crucial aspect of research that ensures experiments are well planned, efficient, and provide reliable results. It involves using statistical techniques to assign experiments that minimize bias and variance, optimize resource allocation, and ensure accurate and precise estimate by applying statistical experimental design principles. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.